Hey, boys and girls, welcome back to another edition of Mr. Irish Television for Mr. Harrington's class. Oh, yeah. So, today, hope everyone had a good break. We're going to begin with what we ended on, combining like terms and distributive property. Write that down. Okay. Write the date also. This is the date I'm making it. Write the date that it is right there. And here we go. First one. Negative n plus 4 times the quantity. Whenever you see this, you say the quantity n plus 1, like that. Okay. To do these problems, the first step is distribute. Use the distributive property. Second step is you combine like terms. Write that down. Boom. First you distribute, then you combine like terms. So if I have the opportunity to distribute, I see it right here. Copy this problem down if you haven't copied it down. Always pause the video if you need, if I go too fast. Okay. Whoop, whoop, right here. The negative n, which is actually a negative 1n, is just chilling. I'm not doing anything of that, just bringing it down. Here is where the distribution happens. So it's a positive 4. 4 times n is positive 4n, or plus 4n. 4 times 1 is 4. There we go. Okay. Now, negative 1n and 4n, now I'm going to combine like terms. The n's are together, the 4 is not, so sad. So negative 1 plus 4 is 3. 3n, and then bring the 4 down, and we good because the 3n and the 4 are not like terms. I can't put them together, so I'm just going to leave it like that. I'm done. There we go. All right, let's try number 2. Write this down. Negative 2 times the quantity, negative 3k plus 4, minus 7. Okay. Whoop, whoop. All right. So distribute first. The negative 7 is not part of it, or the minus 7, so I'm just going to bring that down here. This is where the distribution is going to happen. So I'm not multiplying by 2, I'm multiplying by negative 2. I'm going to make sure I take that negative with me. Negative 2 times negative 3k. Now remember, if you need to do this, you can. So like I have a negative times a negative, and I just cover those up, and I have a positive answer. Negative times negative is a positive. So negative 2 times negative 3 is going to be 6k. Because I'm multiplying by k, whatever number k is, whether it's 1 or 2 or 3 or 4, whatever. Now I multiply negative 2 times 4. Negative 2 times 4. Make sure you have these arc lines on your paper so you're distributing. Negative 2 times 4. That's a negative times a positive, which I cover those up. I have a negative. Boom. Okay. Negative 8 minus 7. So if I want to, I can add the opposite. So I owe $8 and I owe $7. How much do I owe? Yeah, 15. So it's negative 15. I owe 15 bucks. The 6k is not part of the like terms because it doesn't have a k next to it. 6k minus 15, done. Yeah. Let's keep it going. Ooh, this one. Oh, sorry, this should be n right here. Keep the variables the same. 3n plus 3 times the quantity, 1 plus 8n. Give this one a shot on your own. See if you can do number 3. Ready, set, in your notes, copy it down, knock it out, do all the steps, go. All right, let's see if we got it. Whoop, whoop. Bringing down the 3n right there. Now I'm going to distribute over here. Distribute first. 3 times 1 is 3, positive 3 to be exact. 3 times 8n is 24n. Thank you very much. Okay, step 2, combine like terms. 3n, 24n, And then I got this 3 right here. So that's going to be 24 plus 3, 25, 26, 27. Count your fingers if you want. 27n plus 3. There you go. Or you can do 3 plus 27n, because when you add, the order doesn't matter. Both answers are correct. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. All right, number 4. Last one. Good work so far. Whoop, whoop. Distribute. So, -2, bring it down. Oh, you finish it. Ready, set, go. Ooh, sneak attack on that one. See if you finished it. 5 times 4 is 20. 5 times 3r is 15r. What goes together? Uh-oh, the -2 and the 20. Those are like terms. The one with the r is not the same. So 20 minus 2, because when you add, the order doesn't matter. I can add on this side. I can start here. 20 plus -2, or 20 going down for 2 is 18 plus 15r. Or 15r plus 18. Same thing. Got it. Nice job. All right, hop on to Khan Academy now. Let's see if you can knock out some objectives. Let's see some hundreds. Let's see some signatures. Good work.